Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how arginine can be used for bodybuilding. Arginine is an amino acid that plays a crucial role in the body, particularly for those looking to enhance their physical performance and muscle development. It's a precursor to nitric oxide, a compound vital for blood vessel dilation. This means better blood flow to your muscles during intense training sessions, which is key for growth and recovery. Beyond just blood flow, arginine offers several benefits for bodybuilders. Many individuals find it helps improve their overall exercise performance and endurance, allowing for more intense and longer workouts. It also plays a role in muscle protein synthesis, which is essential for growth and efficient recovery. Plus, that satisfying muscle pump you feel during training can be enhanced, making your efforts feel even more rewarding. When considering arginine, proper dosage and timing are important for maximizing its effects. A common daily dose for bodybuilding purposes ranges from 3 to 6 grams. For optimal pre-workout benefits, it's often recommended to take your arginine about 30 to 60 minutes before you begin your training session. Some individuals also choose to split their daily dose to maintain elevated levels throughout the day. Arginine comes in various forms, with L-arginine and arginine alpha-ketoglutarate, or ACH, being among the most popular choices. Before adding any new supplement to your regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you. Remember, arginine works best as part of a comprehensive approach, complementing a balanced diet, proper hydration, and a consistent, challenging training program.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.